Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the watch is running and clean. This avoids errors when you set time. Once done, examine the crown. Is it screw down or simple push? If screw down, unscrew gently counterclockwise until it pops out. If push, don't force. Make sure the watch is off your wrist for steady hands and a clear view. Check for a manual or markings that indicate positions. Knowing this up front prevents wrong adjustments and protects the movement. Now you set the core values. Pull the crown to the time setting position and rotate to move hands. You should advance hands forward slowly. This protects gears. Make sure hour aligns with AM or PM. If the date changes when you pass midnight, you're correct. For watches with separate date positions, set the date only after placing the hands between 2-4 AM to avoid damaging the date mechanism. For digital models, switch to time. Finish by pushing the crown all the way in, and if it's screw down, tighten it until snug to protect seals. You should then sync seconds. Wait for a reference beep or official clock and start at 00 to ensure accuracy. Observe the watch for a minute to confirm smooth hand motion and correct date change at midnight. If the hands hesitate, the crown slips, or the date skips, stop and check battery or seek a watchmaker. Forcing the mechanism can make repair costly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.